Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about new chapter of computer. Lesson number 1, that is know your computer. So let's begin. What is computer? I know you have studied this in your class 1. Do you remember about that? A computer is an electronic machine. It accepts data as input, processes it, and gives us information as output. Computer works very fast, saves our time and energy, does not make mistake, and does not get tired. It can remember so many things. We all forget. हम तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं, बट कंप्यूटर वो भूलता नहीं है, मिस्टेक करता नहीं है और थकता भी नहीं है. These are the basic parts of computer. So which are the basic parts? CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard. Input device that help us enter data in the computer are called input device. जिस डिवाइस की हेल्प से हम कंप्यूटर में डेटा एंटर करते हैं उन्हें हम इनपुट डिवाइस कहते हैं. दे हेल्प इन गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द कंप्यूटर. लेट अस लर्न अबाउट अ फ्यू इनपुट डिवाइस. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? Can you see the picture? Which input device it is? Yes, correct. Keyboard. What you can see on the keyboard? There are so many keys. So, a keyboard is used for entering data into the computer. You can write or type words, numbers, symbols, etc. using keyboard. What is this? Which picture it is? Here mouse has been written. Is this a mouse? But mouse move here and there. This is at one place. Yes, this is also a mouse, a computer mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. You can give input to the computer with the help of this mouse. You can even draw pictures. The mouse is kept on a mouse pad. Joystick. You can play games on computer with the help of joystick. When we move joystick passes information to the computer. Microphone. A microphone is a mic that can be attached to the computer. We can attach this microphone to the computer and we can record our voice, or we can even use it when we are doing web call. Now what is this? Which picture it is? It looks like a rabbit. But it is web camera. This is web camera. A web camera is used to take live photos and videos. You can use it while you want to record or while you want to use when we are talking with each other. You can use web camera. Scanner. A scanner is used to copy pictures and pages and turn them into images that can be saved on a computer. Processing device. All the inputs are stored, arranged and changed by a computer. The device that helps a computer to do so is called the processing device. The processing device in a computer is known as Central Processing Unit, that is CPU. I know you all know this is CPU. What does CPU do? It processes all the data that we give. When we type, and that information is stored, arranged, changed. So all this processing is done by CPU. Output device. The parts of computer that help us to show the results of the processing are called output device. When we get the results, that is output. Let us learn about few. This looks like TV screen, isn't it? What is this? This is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you type using the keyboard or draw with the mouse. Printer. A printer takes print. A printer prints the result of our work from the computer screen on a paper. This is called printout. What does printer do? It prints the result. You all write your during your UTs and you write answers on that sheet. That is the printout. First we have typed it, then we have given instruction to the printer to print, and then we get the printout. Speaker. What do we do with the speaker? How does speaker help us? Speaker help us to listen. जब हमें गाने सुनने होते हैं, अगर speakers नहीं होंगे तो हम नहीं सुन पाएंगे. तो speakers help us to listen to the music or speeches stored in the computer. Headphone. You can listen to music or any sound from the computer using headphone without disturbing others. When I use speaker, all the members of my family can hear what song or what movie I am watching or what I am listening. But when I am using headphone, the song or the movie whatever I am seeing, that is only I can hear that. बाकी कोई नहीं सुन पाएगा. When I am wearing headphone, whatever music I am playing, मैं ही सुन पाऊँगी, बाकी कोई नहीं सुन पाएगा. Storage device. The parts of computer which are used for storing data are called storage device. It helps us to store any work done on a computer permanently. हम भी store करते हैं ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें. वैसे ही we have in computer also to store our data or work permanently. हमारा कौन सा डिवाइस है जो स्टोरेज करता है हमारी सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस? आर ब्रेन. हार्ड डिस्क. अ हार्ड डिस्क इज मेड अप ऑफ वन और मोर मेटालिक डिस्क. इट स्टोर्स अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ information. You can see this in the picture. It is made up of one or more metallic disk. Floppy disk. A floppy disk stores a small amount of information. It is external storage device which works when inserted in the floppy drive. जब हम floppy drive में insert करेंगे floppy disk को तभी वो work करेगा, उससे पहले नहीं करेगा. And a floppy disk stores very small amount of information compared to hard disk. Hard disk stores large amount of information whereas floppy disk stores less amount of information. Compact disk. Can you I know you all know this. This is CD or compact disk. A CD stores more information than a floppy disk. It is also an external storage device which works when inserted into the CD drive. Pen drive. I know you have seen this also. Your mama, papa, your teacher, your bhaiya didi, whosoever is there, they use this pen drive. A pen drive is also an external storage device that can store a large amount of data. And if I want to remove something from the store pen drive, if I want to add some data, if I want to do some changes in the document or the work I have done, I can do in that pen drive. Thank you. Keep smiling. Have a nice day. किसे तने बुद्धि